What's so special about kale? I get asked this question all the time, and honestly, it's a bit of a loaded one. Kale has become this superfood icon, almost like the celebrity of the vegetable world. You see it everywhere in salads, smoothies, juices, and even chips. But what's the real deal? Why has kale captured our hearts and our Instagram feeds? Let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about nutrition. Kale is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Just 1 cup of raw kale packs a punch with more vitamin C than an orange. I mean, who knew? It's also loaded with vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. And if you're into your greens, you'll appreciate that kale is rich in antioxidants, which are like little warriors fighting off free radicals in our bodies. It's almost like kale is wearing a superhero cape, ready to save the day from oxidative stress. Now, if you've ever tried to eat kale raw, you might have found it a bit tough and, let's be honest, sometimes a little bitter. But here's the thing, kale is incredibly versatile. You can sauté it, steam it, or even bake it into crispy chips. Each method brings out different flavors and textures. When you sauté it with garlic and olive oil, it transforms into this delicious, savory side dish that can elevate any meal. And don't even get me started on kale chips. Toss them in some olive oil, sprinkle a little sea salt, and pop them in the oven. Suddenly, you've got a crunchy snack that's way healthier than potato chips. But let's not just focus on the health benefits. There's something special about kale that goes beyond its nutritional profile. It's a symbol of the health food movement, a representation of our growing awareness about what we put into our bodies. It's like kale became the poster child for clean eating. When you choose kale, you're making a statement about your lifestyle, your values, and your commitment to health. And here's where it gets really interesting. Kale is also a reflection of our changing relationship with food. A few decades ago, you wouldn't have found kale in most grocery stores, let alone on restaurant menus. It was often relegated to the role of a garnish, something that decorated your plate but didn't really get eaten. Fast forward to today, and it's front and center in salads and smoothie bowls. It's fascinating how our tastes have evolved. But let's be real for a second. Not everyone loves kale. I mean, I get it. Some people think it's too tough, too bitter, or just plain unappetizing, and that's okay. Food preferences are personal, and there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to what we enjoy eating. But here's the thing. If you haven't found your way to enjoy kale yet, I challenge you to give it another shot. Try it in a different dish, or season it differently. You might just surprise yourself. And speaking of surprises, let's talk about the different varieties of kale. You've got your curly kale, which is the classic vibrant green variety that most people are familiar with. Then there's lacinato kale, also known as dinosaur kale, which has a flatter, darker leaf and a slightly sweeter taste. And let's not forget about red kale, which adds a pop of color to your plate. Each type has its unique flavor profile and texture, so it's worth exploring them all. Now, if you're into gardening or just love supporting local farmers, kale is a fantastic choice. It's relatively easy to grow, and it thrives in cooler weather. You can even grow it in your backyard or on your balcony in pots. Imagine stepping outside to pick fresh kale for your salad. There's something incredibly rewarding about growing your own food, and kale is a great starting point for beginners. Plus, it's a hardy plant that can withstand frost, so you can enjoy homegrown greens well into the fall and even winter months. Let's also touch on sustainability. Kale is often hailed as a more sustainable food choice compared to some other crops. It requires less water to grow than many other vegetables, and it can be grown in a variety of climates. Plus, if you're buying locally sourced kale, you're reducing your carbon footprint by supporting local farmers and cutting down on transportation emissions. It's a win-win for your health and the planet. And here's a fun fact that might just blow your mind. Kale is part of the cruciferous family of vegetables, which also includes broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower. These veggies are known for their cancer-fighting properties, which adds another layer to kale's already impressive resume. So, when you're eating kale, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also potentially protecting it from disease. So, what's so special about kale? It's not just a trend or a fad, it's a nutrient rich vegetable that symbolizes a shift in our food culture. It represents our growing awareness of health and sustainability, and it invites us to explore new flavors and cooking methods. It's a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in countless ways, and it's a fantastic choice for those looking to incorporate more greens into their diet. In conclusion, whether you're a kale lover or a kale skeptic, I encourage you to embrace the green and give it a try. Experiment with different recipes, explore the various types, and discover how this humble leafy green can transform your meals. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about what's trendy or what's healthy. It's about finding joy in the food we eat and making choices that nourish our bodies and our planet. So, what's so special about kale? Maybe it's time to find out for yourself.